Hey everybody, it's Chris for AllEars TV and AllEars.net with today's Disney Fast Facts. Today we've got your fun fast facts about Enchanted Tales with Belle. Enchanted Tales with Belle was one of the highlight attractions of New Fantasyland, and it was 5 years in the making. Besides Belle and Lumiere, all of the characters in the story are played by audience volunteers. And these roles include Knights, Philippe, Mrs. Potts, Chip, Maurice, the Beast, and others. Now I'm proud to say that my daughter beat out all the boys in the room for the role of the Beast. And that should tell you something about my home life. The concept of using guests as characters in the show hadn't been done before on this level, so it took some time to hash out the safety concerns and performance controls in order to make the experience as perfect as possible. The attraction had a soft opening beginning in September 2012 with cast members, their families, and other invited guests so that they could make adjustments over a 3-month period before opening in December 2012. This is a great place to see Belle up close and spend time with her, but keep in mind it's not a meet and greet. However, if you are an actor in the show, you'll get a special bookmark and a chance to pose for pictures with Belle. You even get a special memory maker card to access all of the photos taken. Also, Belle doesn't sign autographs at the show, but the special bookmark for the special volunteers has her signature on it. Maurices Cottage has a ton of detail for you to take in while you wait. You'll see many rolled up blueprints stacked in a corner next to a wooden table. On top of the table is an open blueprint and a book, which may have been left behind from Belle. Next to the fireplace is a huge pile of books, and above that is a picture of Belle's mother reading to a younger Belle. You'll see where Maurice measured Belle's height while growing up, and it's perfectly placed so your kids can see how they measure up to Belle's growth at their age. Adding a hint of post-history to the story, in Maurices Workshop, you'll see a blueprint on Maurice's desk. This is a blueprint of the music box of Belle and the Beast that you'll see inside the Be Our Guest restaurant. This music box was Maurice's wedding gift to the happy couple. This attraction seems so simple, but there's so much to see. When you finally enter the library, you will most likely be consumed with the amazing animatronic that is Lumiere. The fluid movement of this little guy is world-class technology at its artistic finest. In fact, you'll be so consumed with him, you probably won't even notice the vast number of books in the library. But before the show starts, take a look over your shoulder. There are 12,000 books in the library. Oh, that magic mirror. If you only experience one true piece of Disney magic, it has to be the magic mirror in Maurice's Workshop. The first time I went into that room, a friend of mine said to me, "Hey, how do you think we get out of here?" I looked up, down, left, right, all over for a good amount of time. I never would have guessed that the exit would be through a mirror that literally transforms before your eyes into a portal that gives guests access to the next room of the attraction. Now, while there are certain obvious mechanics to the mirror transformation, the entire mechanism is fairly complex as that there are no visible seams in the walls. And the walls don't appear to move, so the illusion is, well, seamless. Now, after speaking with 2 Disney Imagineers, 3 scenic designers, a costumer, and a handful of cast members, I finally got an answer as to how it actually works. And the answer is, it's magic. And I'm okay with that. Here are some quick tips for Enchanted Tales with Belle. There's no height requirement. The attraction duration is about 20 minutes, but the queue time is typically between 40 to 70 minutes because the show capacity is very low and nearly every show is filled to the max, which means get a Fast Pass. This is a Fast Pass Plus attraction and highly recommended. Keep in mind, if you use Fast Pass, you will bypass the family room of Maurices Cottage and you'll go straight into the workshop. Guests with ECVs must transfer to an available wheelchair. There's no single rider or child swap for this attraction. Handheld captioning and assistive listening devices are available. If your child wants to perform but is shy, parents are welcome to join them through the whole story. And there's your Disney Fast Facts about Enchanted Tales with Belle. But what are your tips for Enchanted Tales with Belle? Did you volunteer? Did your kid get cast? What was their experience like? Please share your experience in the comments. Hey, if you like this video, click on that thumbs up. Be sure to stay tuned to AllEars TV and AllEars.net for more Disney news, fun, and stuff. And follow us on Instagram at AllEars.net. New to the channel? Check out other AllEars videos here. And please subscribe to AllEars.net, clang the little notification bell so you get immediately notified when we post a new video. This is Chris for AllEars TV. See you next time.